Let's talk about where UX fits into the development cycle. During the first stage, planning, user experience can help you define the problem by understanding the user's needs, goals, and motivations. It will help you design the right thing instead of just designing the thing right. During analysis, understanding your users will help you prioritize features based on what users actually want instead of wasting time developing something that nobody needs. During the design phase, the ideating, prototyping, and iterating based on user feedback, that's the hallmark of UX design, is a low-cost way to see what works and again could save you money in development. Finally, during the implementation and maintenance phase, user testing, analyzing user feedback to improve the product will help you create great experiences. Now I'm going to teach you about user experience using a medical analogy. For example, in medicine, you can have many specializations, but it's a general practitioner understands a little bit about each specialization to keep the patient healthy. Similarly, with UX, we want to create great experiences. You don't need to be a specialist in any of these disciplines, but have a little understanding of each, and that will help you create great experiences. Interaction design deals with structure and also is concerned with how interface elements respond to user input. Content is the words, pictures, and other information that make up experiences. Content strategy ensures that this information is current, relevant, and useful. User research. Understanding human behavior and empathizing with user needs is crucial to designing great experiences. Business objectives. Taking time to fully understand the business objectives and clarify the problem to dispel any assumptions is essential before you begin to design experiences. Information architecture. Information architecture ensures that the structure and navigation of an experience allows people to accomplish tasks and find information easily. And then finally, visual design is concerned with the look and feel and the branding and the colors of the final piece. Let's talk about what you need to take this course. No fancy tools or softwares needed. All you need is a pencil, sketchbook, and most of all, a curious mind. Designing great experiences is not about the type of tool you use. It's about cultivating a curiosity about people, how they think, what are their goals, needs, and motivations, how do they use products or services. Having this curious mind will be an asset in user experience. Let's talk about what we're going to learn in this course. Module 1, UX Overview, Understanding Your User. In Module 2, we're going to learn about communicating the big picture through user journeys and storyboarding scenarios. Module 3 is all about wireframing, sketching out interfaces. Module 4 is about creating a prototype, and we can make a quick and easy one on paper that we can use for Module 5, Usability Testing. During this course as well, you're going to do a lab assignment. We're going to do a fun activity together and design an application. During the first module, together, we will try to understand user goals and create a strategy document. In Module 2, we're going to sketch out interaction flows and a user journey. Module 3 will be sketching wireframes. In Module 4, create a paper prototype. And in Module 5, conduct a usability test. Let me talk about how some of these lab activities are going to help you understand the various disciplines and specializations of UX. For example, when we create the strategy document in Module 1, we're going to cover business objectives and user research. Interaction flows and user journey are going to cover information architecture, content strategy, and interaction design specializations. When we sketch out wireframes and prototype, this will be using information architecture skills and interaction design skills and a bit of visual design. And finally, conducting usability testing falls under user research. Now that we've done a UX overview and covered what's in this course, let's talk about the first module, Understanding Your User. Now we've covered the elements of UX and its place within the development cycle. Now we're going to learn quick and easy user research techniques that will help you to empathize with users and understand their goals. But first, we're going to do requirements gathering. Learn how to consider business goals and the technical limitations and combine these with user goals to create a strategy document. The strategy document is our first lab assignment. We're going to learn something called an empathy map and use it to derive the user goals. We're then going to find the business goals by conducting business requirements gathering to create a strategy document. So let's get started with business requirements.